Hey guys, I want to see if I can get this open today. I did get it open once and today with this key that I just made into a tensioner. It's not the right key, so if you put it in all the way in, it just goes around. You have to get it to sit the right place, but let's put this in a vise. I did it in hand before, but I think I want to try and see how it is in the vise. And hopefully that will also keep it a bit more steady for you. Can you get some light on it? Maybe. Okay. See if I can do it again. I've had two of these laying around for a long time. All right, let's see. It doesn't really have many levers in there. And I don't remember what I did exactly. It just suddenly popped open. There we go. Yoo-hoo! Now, because I don't have keys, it was actually a pain to get this locked back up, so I'm not going to do that on camera. But finally, I've had these laying around for, I think, basically as long as I have been away, so 1.5, maybe 2 years. I will keep the other one, and I will probably put that in the, maybe put that in the Christmas series, but I just wanted to see if I can open one with this tension wrench. And I could. So, haha, finally. I really need to get some more lever locks because I think it's fun to pick lever locks. But I really need to find more. And if anyone have some lever locks, preferably padlocks, but also in general lever locks, 3, 4, 5 levers is what I'm thinking about. Then I have a good bunch of Ruko cylinders, both with and without keys, that I am more than willing to trade with some lever locks. That's basically all I have right now, is that bunch of Rukos, and I guess I have a lot less interesting locks, but yeah. But yeah, hit me up if you have some lever locks that you could be interested in trading. Then we can see what we can do. Anyway, I'm really happy to get that open finally, and I'll see later on if I can get the other one open. Haven't tried yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.